We have seen the previous concept of Industry 4.0, and now let's talk about another fascinating and forward-looking concept known as Industry 5.0. Imagine a future factory where humans and machines work together seamlessly, not just to automate processes, but to bring creativity, customization, and sustainability into production. That's the promise of Industry 5.0, where the focus shifts from full automation to human-centric collaboration with advanced technologies. Industry 5.0 is an evolution that started gaining attention around the late 2010s. Unlike Industry 4.0, which prioritized smart factories, data-driven decisions, and autonomous systems, Industry 5.0 emphasizes collaboration between humans and intelligent machines. It integrates technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, Cobots, collaborative robots, augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and advanced analytics to empower humans to make better decisions, innovate, and add value in ways machines alone cannot. Let's see how this technology works in a simple step-by-step example. Our first type is cobots in manufacturing. These collaborative robots work alongside humans to handle repetitive or heavy tasks, while humans focus on complex decision-making, customization, and quality control. Our next type is AI-assisted production planning, where AI analyzes historical data, market trends, and real-time inputs to suggest optimal production schedules. Another type is AR and VR support, which allow operators to visualize processes, conduct virtual training, and even remotely assist in machinery maintenance. Finally, sustainability integration ensures that every process considers energy efficiency, waste reduction, and environmentally friendly practices. Industry 5.0 has several applications across supply chain and manufacturing areas. In manufacturing, it enables mass customization, allowing companies to produce personalized products efficiently without sacrificing quality or speed. In warehousing, human-robot collaboration can optimize picking, packing, and sorting processes, improving accuracy and reducing physical strain on employees. In supply chain planning, AI-driven insights combined with human judgment allow for more flexible, resilient, and adaptive strategies. In logistics, collaborative robotics and intelligent transport systems can improve last-mile delivery, reduce errors, and support eco-friendly operations. A top example of Industry 5.0 in action is Schneider Electric's Smart Factory in France. Before adopting Industry 5.0 principles, Schneider faced challenges such as limited customization, worker fatigue, and inefficiencies in production and assembly processes. Around 2020, they implemented collaborative robots to assist humans, integrated AI-driven scheduling, and deployed AR for operator training and machine monitoring. The results were impressive. The factory achieved a 40% increase in production flexibility, a 25% reduction in operational errors, and improved employee satisfaction due to the human-centric approach. Additionally, they reported significant energy savings by optimizing processes and integrating sustainability into every step of the operation. So we simply seen that Industry 5.0 is not just about smarter machines. It is about creating a harmonious partnership between humans and technology, where creativity, personalization, and sustainability drive business decisions. Its applications in manufacturing, warehousing, logistics, and supply chain planning demonstrate how companies can enhance efficiency while keeping humans at the center of operations. In a nutshell, Industry 5.0 represents the next era of industrial evolution, where technology amplifies human potential rather than replacing it, creating smarter, greener, and more adaptive supply chains. Hopefully you found this concept exciting and now you understand why Industry 5.0 is considered the future of manufacturing and supply chains. Now, very important topic we will talk about next. That's amazing learning I believe you have today. And it's a concept that will shape the future of business and operations globally.